In this video, I will teach you how to scale your winning ad or best performing Facebook and Instagram ads the right way. For instance, you have a particular advert that is doing very well and you want to maximize the result. You want to have more results in a short time. How do you do it? Like this particular ad, for one ad set, we have spent more than 550,000 naira on this ad. That is to tell you that this ad is performing very well. For some of you, you now want to maximize this result. You want to go ahead to edit this ad. That is the wrong thing you will do. You will click on the edit button, then you go ahead and increase the ad budget. For instance, if you were using 5,000 naira before, you will go and increase it to maybe 7,000 or 10,000 naira on your ad, thinking that you will be getting double results of what you're getting now. That is a wrong way of doing it. In this particular video, I will teach you the right way to scale your ad so that you will also maximize your profit in that ad. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. If you take a look at this particular ad, it has been performing very well. When you look at the ad spent, you will see that we have spent 559,946 naira on this particular ad. That is huge. That's to tell you that this particular campaign is performing excellently well. When you have a winning campaign like this, what some of you do is to click on these three dots, then you click on edit button here, then you go to daily budget to increase your daily budget for that ad. That is a wrong way to scale your ad. When you do like that, you end up increasing the cost per result or the cost per conversion of your ad. Another effect of that action is that your campaign is going to start afresh and that ad will likely not perform well again. Now, the right thing to do is when you have a winning ad like this, tap on this ad, it will take you to this interface, then go ahead and click on this duplicate button. When you duplicate, it will give you another campaign, another ad set, and another ad, different from the previous one that is already running. Okay, now you are expected to edit that new campaign that you have been given, edit the campaign, the ad set, and the ad, then go ahead and change the audience as well as your ad creative. When you change the audience and the ad creative, it will make that campaign not to compete with the previous one that is already performing well. That way you will maximize your ad conversion. If there is something you do not understand, just drop your question in the comment section below and I'll reply to your question.